Have you ever thought about the power that lies within your pocket? What if your money could do more than just grow, but could change the world? Welcome to Wealth Wisdom Hub, investing in sustainable and ethical funds and ethical investment options. A new era of investing, an era where your financial decisions can have a profound impact on our planet and society. This isn't about charity or donations, but about smart investing. You're about to enter a world where your investments reflect your values, where every dollar you invest is a vote for the kind of world you want to live in. Welcome to the era of sustainable and ethical funds. Stay tuned to find out how your money can make a difference. Don't forget to subscribe and comment your thoughts below. And remember, the best is yet to come, so stick around till the end. Imagine a world where your money paints a greener future, where every dollar invested is a step towards ethical practices. This isn't some futuristic fantasy, but the here and now of investing, the era of sustainable and ethical funds. So, what exactly are these funds? Well, think of them as the superheroes of the financial world, armed not with capes but with the power of environmental, social, and governance criteria, affectionately known as ESG. These funds select companies to invest in based on how well they score on these ESG criteria. For example, does a company reduce its carbon footprint? Does it treat its employees fairly? Does it have transparent and accountable governance? But here's the real kicker. Sustainable and ethical funds are not just about doing good. They're about aligning your investments with your personal values. It's about saying, hey, my money isn't just going to sit there earn interest. It's going to help create the kind of world I want to live in. And you know what's even better? Companies committed to sustainability and ethical practices often perform better financially in the long run. They're like the tortoise in the race, steadily making progress while avoiding the pitfalls that often trip up the less conscientious hares. So why not let your money do a double duty? Let it work for you, and let it work for the planet. It grow your wealth and let it sow the seeds for a better future. In this age of climate change and unrest, your investment choices can be a powerful tool for change. They can support companies that are part of the solution, not the problem. They can help build a more sustainable and equitable world. So the next time you think about where to invest your hard-earned money, consider sustainable and ethical funds. Because your money can do more than grow. It can make a difference. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments. And remember, the best content is at the end. Wondering if your money will grow as green as the world you're investing in? Let's take a deep dive into the financial performance and risk management of sustainable and ethical funds. First, let's talk returns. Historical data suggests that sustainable and ethical funds have been keeping pace with and often outperforming their more conventional counterparts. A study by Morningstar found that in 2021, the majority of sustainable funds outperformed traditional funds in their categories. This isn't a fluke. Over the past decade, sustainable funds have shown a consistent pattern of strong performance. But what about risk? After all, investing isn't just about returns, it's also about managing uncertainty. The beauty of sustainable and ethical funds lies in their focus on environmental, social, and governance, or ESG factors. These factors provide a holistic view of a company's operations, going beyond just financial metrics. They consider environmental impacts, social responsibility, and governance practices, all of which can influence a company's long-term viability and resilience. Let's break it down. Environmental risks, such as climate change, can have profound effects on a company's operations. A company that doesn't take these risks into account could face significant financial losses down the line. By investing in companies that prioritize environmental sustainability, you're not just doing good for the planet, you're also mitigating potential financial risks. Similarly, social factors like labor practices and community relations can impact a company's reputation and, by extension, its bottom line. Good governance, on the other hand, ensures that companies are managed effectively and ethically. Companies with strong governance structures are less likely to face scandals or legal issues that could negatively impact their financial performance. By considering ESG factors, sustainable and ethical funds can help investors manage these risks more effectively. They can also enhance financial performance. A report by the Global Sustainable Investment Alliance showed that companies with strong ESG practices tend to perform better financially over the long term. In a nutshell, sustainable and ethical funds offer a win-win situation. They allow investors to align their investments with their personal values, while also offering competitive returns and effective risk management. But remember, as with any investment, it's important to do your due diligence. Look at the fund's track record, its investment strategy, and how it incorporates ESG factors into its decision-making process. And of course, consider your own risk tolerance and financial goals. Investing in sustainable ethical funds isn't just about making money, it's about making a difference. It's about investing in a future that's not just profitable but also sustainable and just. So, as you ponder where to put your money, remember this. The returns are not just financial, they're social and governance-based, too. Remember to hit that subscribe button and let us know your thoughts in the comments. The best is yet to come. Make your money matter, make it make a difference. Imagine a world where every investment you make is a vote for the kind of future you want to see. This is the power of impact investing. By choosing to invest in companies that prioritize sustainability and social responsibility, you're actively contributing to a more sustainable and equitable future. Let's look at a few stellar examples. Picture a company that's become a leader in renewable energy, replacing fossil fuels with wind and solar power. This isn't some far-off dream. Companies like these exist right now, and they're delivering not just environmentally friendly energy, but also impressive financial returns to their investors. Or consider a corporation that is prioritizing fair trade, ensuring their products are sourced responsibly. They're not only supporting the livelihoods of small-scale producers in developing countries, but also delivering high-quality, ethically produced goods to consumers. And yes, they're also providing substantial returns to their investors. Now you might be wondering, but how much of an impact can my investment really make? Let's dive into some case studies. A recent report showed that investments in sustainable water projects have helped provide clean, safe drinking water to millions of people in need. Another study found that investments in companies focused on reducing their carbon emissions have been instrumental in the fight against climate change. It's not just about the big bucks, though. Even small investments can make a significant impact. For instance, by investing in a startup that's developing innovative recycling technologies, you could help reduce waste and contribute to a cleaner environment. It's like casting a vote for the kind of world you want to live in. So, how can you make your investments matter? First, do your research. Look for companies that are not just profitable, but also have a strong commitment to social responsibility and sustainability. And remember, it's not just about financial returns. Consider the social and environmental impact of your investments as well. Next, consider diversifying your portfolio with a mix of different sustainable investments. This can help manage risk and potentially increase returns. And don't forget to regularly review and adjust your investments to ensure they continue to align with your values and financial goals. Finally, remember that every investment is an opportunity to make a difference. Whether you're investing in a multinational corporation with a strong commitment to sustainability, or a local startup working on innovative solutions to social issues, your investment can help drive positive change. So, let's recap. Impact investing is about more than just making money. It's about making a difference. It's using your investments as a tool to create the kind of world you want to see. And the best part? You don't have to sacrifice financial returns to do it. Your investment can be your voice for a sustainable future. Let's make it count. If you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and comment. And stay tuned for the best content at the end. Ready to invest in a better tomorrow? Let's guide you through. So, you're all charged up about sustainable investing and you're thinking, where do I start? Well, you're in the right place. We're going to walk you through the steps to get your sustainable investing journey underway. First things first, you need to do your research. Sustainable investing is not just about picking the greenest company in the market, but about finding the businesses that are truly committed to sustainable and ethical practices. And trust me, there's a difference. Look for firms that meet the environmental, social, and governance or ESG criteria. These companies are not just paying lip service to sustainability, but are embedding it into their business models. They're the real deal. Now, researching can feel a bit like searching for a needle in a haystack, but thankfully, there are resources to help you out. Websites like Morningstar and Sustainalytics provide ratings on the sustainability performance of thousands of companies. They're like your sustainability detectives, doing the hard work for you. Once you've identified potential investments, it's time to assess their performance and fees. Now, I know what you're thinking, performance, fees, yikes. But don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. When we talk about performance, we're referring to how well the investment has done in the past. But remember, past performance is not indicative of future results. So, while it's important, don't let it be your only guide. Then there's fees. In the world of investing, fees are like those pesky mosquitoes at a summer barbecue. You can't completely avoid them, but you can minimize their bite. When choosing a fund, look at its expense ratio, which is the cost of managing the fund expressed as a percentage of your investment. Lower is usually better, but don't forget to balance cost with quality. At this point you might be thinking, this sounds complicated. Is there an easier way? Well, you're in luck. There are tools and resources available to help you navigate the sustainable investing landscape. Robo-advisors, for example, use algorithms to build a portfolio based on your risk tolerance and investment goals, including your desire to invest sustainably. They're like your personal investment bot, doing the heavy lifting for you. And if you're someone who likes to go old school, financial advisors can provide advice on sustainable investing. Just make sure to choose one who understands and values sustainable investing. You wouldn't hire a gardener who doesn't like plants, right? Lastly, don't forget to stay informed. The world of sustainable investing is ever evolving, and staying up to date will help you make informed decisions. Sign up for newsletters, join online forums, attend webinars. Knowledge, as they say, is power. So, there you have it. The steps to kickstart your sustainable investing journey. It may seem daunting at first, but remember, every journey starts with a single step, and this one leads to a better, more sustainable future. Investing sustainably is not just a trend, it's the future. So are you ready to be a part of it? Don't forget to subscribe for more actionable advice on navigating the digital landscape and securing a brighter financial future, and share your thoughts in the comments. Investing sustainably is not just about the money, it's about the future we create. Let's take a moment to reflect on what we've journeyed through today. We've explored the fascinating world of sustainable and ethical funds, where your investments do more than just generate returns. They help shape a more sustainable and equitable world. We started off by understanding what these funds are all about. The heart of sustainable investing lies in the environmental, social, and governance criteria commonly known as ESG. This approach ensures that your investments align with your personal values, creating a unique synergy between your financial goals and your desire to contribute to a better world. We then delved into the financial performance of sustainable and ethical funds. Contrary to some myths, these investments have shown competitive returns compared to traditional options. Additionally, their focus on long-term sustainability and ethical practices can offer resilience in the face of market fluctuations and unforeseen events. In essence, sustainable investing is not just good for the planet, it's good for your portfolio too. From there, we moved on to the powerful concept of impact investing. This is where your investments directly contribute to positive social and environmental change. We discussed examples of companies that are making significant strides in sustainability and social responsibility, and how your investments can play a part in supporting these initiatives. Remember, every dollar you invest is a vote for the kind of world you want to live in. Next, we provided some practical guidance on how to get started with sustainable investing. We discussed the importance of researching and selecting sustainable investment options, assessing fund performance and fees, and utilizing available resources and tools. Just like any journey, the journey towards sustainable investing begins with a single step. As we wrap up, let's remember why this all matters. Sustainable and ethical investing is about more than just returns. It's about using your financial power to affect positive change. It's about recognizing that every investment decision we make has an impact on the world we live in. It's about aligning our financial goals with our values and contributing to a more sustainable and equitable future. We encourage you to take action and start your journey towards sustainable investing. Keep exploring, keep educating yourself, and remember, every step you take towards sustainable investing is a step towards a better world. So, are you ready to invest in a better world? The future is in your hands, or rather, in your portfolio. If you've made it this far, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and comment.